Welcome back to the Digital Ledger, everybody. I wanted to talk to you. We have a lot of news to go over today, and I'm telling you, crypto is just unfolding to mass adoption right before our eyes. If you follow this space every day, you can miss it. You can absolutely miss what's happening. But I can tell you this, where there is smoke, there is fire. Let's get right into this because it's happening across the entire globe. Okay, we start here just with a picture of SBI because SBI, obviously a huge investor into Ripple, a huge investor and partner with R3. So let's go ahead and talk about what SBI has been so quiet about. Well, SBI plans to utilize Ripple Payments Network to consolidate ATM access in all of Japan. Yep, Ripple partner SBI Holdings says it plans to use Ripple Payments technology to make it easier for people in Japan to access ATMs. In its latest yearly financial report, the financial services company says it's working to integrate its Ripple-powered systems app MoneyTap with ATMs run by various banks across the country. The move could make it easier for users to access their funds at any ATM, regardless of bank affiliation. SBI says the project could also improve the bottom line for banks themselves by reducing operating costs. Currently, each bank has an ATM with its own bank app, but with a common web app, the same ATM may be used at its own jointly operated multi-bank ATM. SBI aims to roll out MoneyTap to a bank consortium that is led by SBI Ripple Asia. The consortium currently has 61 banks representing about 80% of all banking assets in Japan. This is very good news, everybody. In September of last year, SBI Holdings President Yoshitaka Kitao was quoted as saying that the app, which is fully licensed by Japanese regulators, would utilize Ripple's native cryptocurrency, XRP, in the future. MoneyTap launched in October 2019 and allows people to send and receive money instantly using phone numbers or QR codes. The app is currently available in both iOS and Android. Whoa! Good morning. That's what I'm talking about right there. Where there's smoke, there's fire. Let's keep going. Ripple helps Rack Bank to expand Rack money transfers with RippleNet. Now, this is remarkable too. Let's read this really quickly. So, RackBack announced expansion with RackBack money transfer services using Ripple blockchain technology RippleNet. The new service will be used along with Bangladesh Corridor by partnering with Bank of Asia. Ripple Labs is living up to its promise of reducing the sale of XRP to focus on utility and its product market expansion in 2020 and beyond. It was confirmed after RackBack announced that it will be leveraging RippleNet blockchain technology in an instant remittance solution for Bangladesh for free of all customers until June 30th. Ripple has been at the forefront of the oversee the world move towards instant cross-border payments with a reduced friction. Recently, it was named the only blockchain company in the ISO 20022 standard body, and also the first member focused on distributed ledger technology. RippleNet promises that users that ensure access to new markets and the ability to deliver the best customer experience in global payments. It is reported that the network has over 300 financial institutions worldwide, with MoneyGram, Santander, TransferGo, and RackBank just but a few. The company is competing to take a significant portion of the trillion-dollar market from SWIFT, which is lagging in the latest technology, whereby it even delayed its ISO 20022 compliance in the next 2 years. The details of Ripple and RackBank partnership, according to the Post RackBank official webpage, the bank's RMT service facilitates transfers to Bank Asia accounts within minutes and other bank accounts in Bangladesh within 24 hours. The announcements of the partnership comes at a time when the world is seeking for cheaper and faster means to transact due to the infectious rate of the pandemic. RackBank users can now tap into the latest technology provided by Ripple Labs, and with time, XRP usage might slip in the deal. In line with our strategy of placing our customers' needs at the core, this solution empowers the Bangladeshi expats to instantly and securely send money back home to Bangladesh in just a few simple clicks through our award-winning digital banking app, with no hidden fees and a competitive rates, said Rackback CEO Peter England. This is pretty remarkable stuff, ladies and gentlemen. I don't mind telling you. It just keeps unfolding right before our eyes. If you're not paying attention, very close attention, you will miss the connections that are taking place. Now let's go to the other side of the world, the United States. This is Brian Brooks, the Office of Comptroller of Currency. Came from Coinbase. Had some amazing statements about bringing a national approach instead of a state-by-state level approach to regulation. This is pretty remarkable, and I think we're going to see it very soon. Now, let's keep moving because we see that Wyoming is ready to host the world's first crypto banks. This is a big push from the advocate to crypto from Caitlin Long. This is remarkable. So we keep seeing the push take place here. This is pretty incredible. So let's just look at this. The world's first cryptocurrency bank is going to be based in Wyoming, USA. The state is currently accepting charter applications for banks that plan on servicing customers through digital asset management. An article released in the Wyoming Business Report revealed that the state has been open for applications since November. One of the corporations that are looking to apply is Avanti Financial Group, which is based in Cheyenne. Wyoming legislators has approved several measures with the goal of preparing the state regulatory environment for the presence of management of digital currencies such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ripple, and the rest. The bank is expected to operate using blockchain technology, and this shows here who's involved with it. And I'm going to go down to Wall Street has strict regulatory guidelines on its use, trading, and growth. On the other hand, Wyoming is more nimble and can move quickly to respond to the needs of the industry. While the global market has eased up its position towards digital currencies, an official bank that is responsible for the management of these currencies is yet to be seen. One significant challenge to the growth of digital currencies is the lack of access to banking institutions. Due to the high risk and volatility associated with investing in cryptocurrencies, banks do not entertain requests for crypto investors or exchanges to open accounts as of yet. But remember what I just showed you. Brian Brooks and his latest talk at Consensus, where he talked about a national approach to regulation instead of state by state. This has resulted in a worldwide lack of access to basic services for digital currency investors and businesses. They are unable to run payroll, apply for loans, conduct transfers, or have formal accounts for simple money services. This drives businesses to shady third-party financial providers. Wyoming has now become the first state to create a legal framework for a banking charter that gives digital currencies access to a banking system. This process was started in 2019 when the legislature enacted a bill establishing the special purpose depository institutions. This authorized chartering institutions to receive deposits and conduct other incidental activities, including fiduciary asset management, custody, and related activities, focusing heavily on virtual currencies, digital securities, and utility tokens. Shout out to Caitlin Long there. She has been a huge advocate to make something like this happen. And I will remind you again that, Brian Brooks, the Office of Comptroller of Currency, is the head of the banking system in the United States of America. He came from Coinbase. He was appointed. He was selected. That is just, you cannot drive that home enough. And this man has the right vision for how to take the approach to get this all uniform across the country by taking a national approach to regulations and licensing as opposed to a state-by-state level. Things are going to move quickly and much quicker very soon. FinCEN, remember, FinCEN, another regulatory body, because the OCC is tied to the Treasury, and so is FinCEN, and so is FSOC. But FinCEN said they will be coming out with regulations very soon on digital assets. I would look for that to look a lot like what Brian's conversations are. Okay, so here we go. Let's keep this moving. Now, I want to come here because we talk often a lot, whether it's this channel here, the Digital Ledger channel, or on the IP channel. We talk a lot about the convergence of the traditional trading markets and the new digital asset space. Well, just take a look at an example of a trading market right here. This is an E-Trade page. Why choose E-Trade? Get started. Set your goals. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Stay on track. You start an account. They tell you about the this, that, and the other. This is what their page looks like. So if you wanted to trade stocks, this is how you get started. Open an account, right? This is it right here. Set your goals, open your account, choose your investments, stay on track. Stay with me. TD Ameritrade, which has got their foot in the water with ErisX, okay? They are in the digital asset space. And look at what their traditional platform looks like. If you wanted to open an account right now, trade stocks, this is the account you go to. This is the site you go to right here, right? Pretty boring, right? Oh, geez, this looks about as fun as having a tooth pulled, right? Now let's go to the new products and look at the convergence of the markets here. This is CoinZoom. This is CoinZoom, the next generation cryptocurrency exchange. Now, you want to talk about what a convergence of the traditional markets and the digital asset space looks like? Brace yourself, because this is what it looks like. CoinZoom, the next generation cryptocurrency exchange, buy, sell, spend Bitcoin, and more. Watch this. CoinZoom global debit cards. Easily spend your fiat and crypto balances at over 53 million merchants with a Visa debit card. That's exactly right. You put your crypto on that card and go spend it anywhere in the world because it's a Visa debit card, period. Look at this. This is remarkable. CoinZoom is bridging the gap between legacy FX, futures, stocks, banking to make digital assets available to the masses and experience the advantages of this new asset class. I want to be very clear. They are bridging the gap between legacy FX markets, futures markets, stock markets, and banking to make digital assets available to the masses and experience the advantages of this new asset class. This is what I'm talking about. The convergence, being able to use the benefits of the new digital asset space and all the things this new asset class has to offer, and combine them together to give the best operating experience to the customer, whether it's institution, Main Street, or Wall Street. Security. Your crypto is secure and insured at multiple institutional qualified custodians. Fiat currency is held. Regulated and compliant, leveraging our decades of financial services and regulated experience. We've built an exchange. And let's see, ZoomMe, instant free way to send and receive cash crypto quickly. I'm just going through this quickly. Deep liquidity, experience our vast network of market makers, OTC desk, and proprietary trading pools. Advanced analytics, a large growing library of technical indicators, market studies, and a variety of order types. CoinZoom Visa card, instantly convert crypto to fiat, allowing global purchases at 53 million locations. Look at this. Premier Fiat Gateway. Card to crypto. Use international cards to easily buy crypto, MasterCard or Visa. Crypto to card. Convert crypto to fiat and buy goods and services anywhere Visa card are accepted. 53 million locations. ZoomMe. Instant international peer-to-peer fiat or crypto money transfer. Did we mention it's free? Instant international peer-to-peer fiat or crypto money transfer, and it's free. Multiple payment methods. Fund your account with debit card, wire transfers, ACH, or crypto. You can fund your account with crypto, ACH, or wire transfers, or debit cards. And look at the wide array of currency, multi-currency support they already have. This is remarkable. And I want to point out here, Bitcoin, Litecoin, XRP, Ethereum. Come on in. This is really, really exciting, ladies and gentlemen. I don't mind telling you. This is what the convergence of the digital asset class and digital asset space look like when you merge with the traditional trading world and traditional products that have been here for a very, very long time. All right, guys, I just wanted to bring that to you because I'm telling you right now, where there's smoke, there's fire. I look for the fundamentals. I am reminded again of what Glenn Hutchins has so beautifully said. The value is in the protocol. The price of the token is a distraction and, in fact, uninformative. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. If you like this content, please share it. Let's get these numbers up and let's keep this conversation going. I will catch you all on the next one. Take care.